What is up, you guys? Thanks for landing in on the channel. I'm John, and today I'm gonna be taking you through a video about how to build a dog feeder bowl. Lucky you, this is not a clickbait video. I'm gonna be sharing all the steps, everything I did to get there, how it's done. So just stay with me to the end and check it out. If you're a dog lover like me, this one might be right up your alley. And me personally, I build damn near anything to keep my dog happy. Now I'll say this up front. This project might not be the most beginner/DIY friendly if you ain't comfortable with a table saw. And trust me, I get it. But once you cross that line and start using a table saw, you'll open up yourself to a whole new world of woodworking projects. Now, full disclosure, you're gonna check out this video and you're gonna see some things that's not exactly textbook friendly. So learn and practice accordingly from my unsafe practices. This build is inspired by our current dining table, which has a trestle-style base. Now, if you're wondering, what in the world is a trestle table in the first place? Let me break it on down for you right quick. A trestle is basically a framework with a horizontal beam supported by sloped legs, usually in pairs. And this build is going to be slanted braces. You're going to see I'm going to use 45s to do that. Now that's going to hold up a flat surface like a tabletop. In this case, we're going to be using dog feeder top. All right, as of right now, we're just sitting at just over 20 subs. I'm hoping we can really get at least up to 1,000 before May. Hopefully one day I can get to 100,000. Now, we just sitting at just over 20 subs. Oh my God. We sitting at just over 20 subs. Now, I'm hoping we can get to 1,000 before the summertime really gets kicked off. So help a brother out. If you like what you don't see, yeah, you gonna see. Just stay tuned. So I'm gonna be dropping build plans for this project in the next few upcoming weeks. So make sure you subscribe and check back into this exact video, and you may see the link in the description with build plans added to them, all right? All right, you guys, that's enough yapping for one video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Without any further ado, let's get right on into that video. I'm joining some 2x3s right here using the Craig jig. It is a very great product. I really highly recommend you have one of these Craig jigs if you're going to be doing a lot of joinery work. Now I'm taking my plunge router and I have a round over bit attached to it, and I'm creating the feet here for the bottom of the dog feeder bowl, and it's gonna look pretty cool, guys. It's gonna be very fancy dancing, coming in at 1/8 of an inch from the edge to make sure that I'm not gonna create tear out for this wood, because it is a soft wood. When it comes to soft wood, you want to come in at an angle so you don't create tear out for yourself, because that tear out is going to create more sanding and work for you. We need to create some clone pieces here. I got a stop block on the side of my miter saw so I can create some nice clone edges for the supports for the upper and bottom parts of the dog feeder bowl. when you're doing woodworking, you want to make sure that you're spending true time finishing, sanding, and making sure that all the grains are nice and even. Sanding it down, and this may be time consuming, but I guarantee you it will pay off in the very end. Now, based on the specifics of the design that I'm trying to go for, it is based off of a design that we have on our current dining table. So I'm making some grooves, some lines here to go along with the design based on our dining table once again. Now, this don't have to be a process that you guys perform on your specific dog feeder. So if you don't want to do the lines in your dog feeder bowl tabletop, you can skip ahead. That's good to go. Now with this is a little tricky here. I'm actually going to use a stop block that I calculated based on where the line begins and ends. Now it's closer to the finishing process. Got the stain on top, got multiple different stains on there, and it's looking pretty good.